3 Kashmiri separatist fighters were holed up in this border security force building after managing to get into the camp before dawn on Tuesday. Indian police say they were well armed with guns and grenades.
The
attack happened at 4 in the morning. We were sleeping and suddenly we heard the gunfire and explosions and later found out that militants have stormed the border security force camp.
1 border guard officer was killed and 3 others wounded in the attack, which lasted 10 hours and ended when the 3 fighters were killed. A group called Jaish-e-Mohammed, which wants Pakistan to have control over all of Kashmir, said it carried out the attack. The Border Security Force says they recovered food, clothing, weapons and tools from a tunnel they uncovered under the border days before this attack near the airport. It's the 2nd tunnel they've discovered this year. India regularly accuses Pakistan of training fighters who cross the line of control which separates Kashmir between the 2 countries.
The tunnel is nearly 4 meters long and wasn't finished. We found the store of equipment nearby. Alert border guards prevented a major attack and foiled this nefarious attempt by Pakistan.
Pakistan always denies helping the attackers who cross into India. Both countries claim Kashmir in full and have twice gone to war over the region. Bernard Smith, Al Jazeera.